Hello and welcome to another update video about the Near protocol. Has been heavily requested. I've got still 5 waves to the downside, and the only way, in my opinion, how a rally could still play out is in a C wave of a larger degree, wave 2, and that we're currently forming this as a flat pattern. But if this is a flat pattern, we always need to consider that the C wave might actually end below the A wave high. Okay, so please consider that. That's just what it is in a flat. It could become an expanded flat where the C wave goes beyond the A wave, or in a running flat, the C wave will be shorter. It will depend on the Fibonacci extensions as well. But anyway, I haven't got any confirmation that a low is in place here. So as I said already to you in the last videos, we are here in a move to the downside. It looks like a 5-wave move down actually, or you can consider it a WXY structure. The last move down was also in 3 waves. Yeah, I mean, again, I can also not rule out that maybe this wave 2 was already done, okay, which would be very bearish. But either way, you know, against this resistance level here, we're focusing on lower end. If the price gets into this range between $5 and $11.39, depending on what structure it's developing then, yeah, in the future at some point, it could be an interesting short trade. But we will observe the structure as we go higher. The thing is, though, that if it's an impulse that's moving up here, there is it's probably a C wave in a wave 2. And a small rally could occur if we see a break above this descending trend line. The price has been respecting that trend line also since my last updates. So we're still below the trend line in a very simple way. As long as we are below the trend line, the focus is on further downside here on the near chart. And I see no indication it wants to break it. Now it's getting closer again. It's getting closer again. This might be some kind of a triangle here. And a break below the $1.04 level will obviously send it down lower. The problem is to establish where support lies, because it literally lost all support levels. We just have to go with the trend line, have to go with the trend and say that we focus on the downside until we see a first small impulse to the upside, which could be this yellow wave 1, followed by yellow wave 2. And then anybody who wants to be a risk taker could trade the third wave of the C wave. But I haven't got much hope for this chart, because the rally to the upside was in 3 waves, okay? The move down is sort of in 5. It dropped below this low, which is also not a good sign, which was the July 21 low. Yeah, in summary, there is nothing bullish, not on the larger time frame, not on the shorter time frame. Things can change on the shorter time frame, but they haven't changed yet. And in fact, I think a rally is due at some point, but it hasn't started yet. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.